Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIBS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is Unit 10, lesson 1 to 5. Okay, let's see the board at first. This is the class of your half yearly term 2022, class 5. Subject English, topic Unit 10, lesson 1 to 5, lecture number 10 and your homework number 7. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 10 and your homework number 7. This is your teacher Mahmudur Rahman and this is my phone number. Let's start our discussion. Unit 10, the title of the unit is My Home District. Read about Mamun's home district. Mamun is a boy like you, and in this unit we will learn about Mamun's home district. My home district is Kishoreganj. It is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It is a district headquarters. The district has 8 municipalities, 13 upazilas, 108 unions and 1745 villages. The name Kishoreganj comes from the name of an old landlord known as Brajakishore Pramanik or Nandakishore Pramanik. The area of Kishoreganj municipality is about 10 square kilometers. The river Narasunda flows through the town. So this is the description of Kishoreganj district. We will learn more about this district. Kishoreganj is a small town, but there are many important places in and around it. The largest Eid fairgrounds called Sholakia Eid Ground and the well-known government Gurudal College are in the town. People from many districts come to this place to celebrate Eid. The Bagla Mosque is also in my home district. Outside the town, you can visit the fort of Ishaq Khan at Jungle Bari. You can also see the Shah Muhammad Mosque at Egaru Shindur. Near the Fuleshwar river, you can see the Shiva temple of Chandravati. Kishoreganj is also the home district of some famous people. Chandravati, the first women poet of Bangla literature, was born here. Two writers of children's literature, Upendra Kishore Roy Chaudhary and Shukumar Roy, are also from here. The great painter Jainul Abedin comes from Kishoreganj too. Syed Nazrul Islam, the first acting president of Bangladesh, is also from here. I love my home district. So that's all about Mamun's home district, Kishoreganj. I hope after reading this unit you will also be able to write about your home district. Okay, there are some questions. There are 6 questions. Now we will answer these 6 questions from exercise B. Look here, the first question: what's the name of Mamun's home district? The answer: the name of Mamun's home district is Kishoreganj. Number 2, how far is it from Dhaka? Answer: it is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. Number 3, how did it get its name? Answer: it got its name from the name of an old landlord known as Brajakishore Pramanik or Nandakishore Pramanik. Number 4, what is the name of the river in the town? Answer: the name of the river in the town is Narasunda. Number 5, what are 2 things you can see in the town? Answer: we can see in the town the largest Eid fairgrounds called Sholakia Eid Ground and the well-known government Gurudal College. Number 6, who are 2 famous people from this town? Answer: 2 famous people from this town are the great painter Jainul Abedin and Syed Nazrul Islam, the first acting president of Bangladesh. So this is your homework number 7. your homework number 7 will be exercise B from unit 8. That means these question answers will be your homework. So my dear students, I hope that all of you have understood today's unit and today's discussion very well. For your better understanding, read the text again and again, watch the YouTube classes and attend the online classes regularly. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.